This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make cream tea. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine 2 cups of self-rising flour with a 1/4 cup of sugar. Next, cut 4 tablespoons of cold butter into small pieces and rub it into the flour mixture until it resembles fine breadcrumbs. Gradually add about 3/4 of a cup of milk, mixing until a soft dough forms. Gently knead the dough on a lightly floured surface, then roll it out to about 1 inch thick. Use a 2-inch round cutter to create your scones. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown on top. Once baked, transfer the scones to a wire rack to cool completely before serving. Now for the best part, assembling your cream tea. Slice your cooled scones in half. Spread a generous dollop of clotted cream on 1/2, followed by a spoonful of your favorite fruit jam, like strawberry or raspberry. Brew a fresh pot of black tea, such as Earl Grey or English breakfast, to complement the flavors. This simple method makes a delightful cream tea experience. For the best results, always use fresh, high-quality ingredients. Remember, the key to light and fluffy scones is not to overwork the dough. Handle it as little as possible. Serve your cream tea immediately for optimal freshness and flavor. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade cream tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.